Okay, I'm going to show you how to use Claude and Chrome along with the prompt I created to find my ideal client in my messaging inside of a group or whatever you want. You can be in Reddit, you can be in whatever. Whatever's in your browser is what it's going to find, all right? So I'm just going to use mompreneurs um, as the group for it to do all this for me. So I'm going to take the prompt that I created and put it over here. Okay. And I'm going to let her run. So it's taking a screenshot of what I have on here. Now it's extracting all the page text, gathering posts from the group. So I'm going to let it go ahead and run. It's going to do all these things in this group that I have in my browser. And then it's going to answer all these questions, find my ideal clients and everything. So I'll come back here in a second. Now it's finding typing in keywords and finding different stuff inside this group. It's typed in AI and found a bunch of posts. Now it's typing in funnel. It had typed in website. Now it's typing in overwhelmed. Finding all the posts about that. Alright, now it's finally got me an entire analysis. So the quick summary, Mompreneurs Facebook group, okay? The date it was pulled, let's see, 9 keywords, searches, 9 keywords, website clients, AI, content, money from home, funnel, overwhelm, payment systems, automations, 60 plus distinct posts and threads were reviewed over a 30-day window. The business building half is drowning in basic ops questions. How do I take payments? Do I need a website? What system do I use? That's stuff that my business can answer. So when you do this for yourself, you're going to obviously fill in the prompt with your information. So this is just based for me, right? So ConnectCraft can answer cold in one comment. They are not scared of tech. They are confused by the options and don't know who to trust. The AI posts are getting real engagement. That door is wide open. Note, Facebook's heavy virtualization limits full comment thread extraction. What's here is drawn from visible post bodies across multiple. Okay. So 3 top pain points. It's going to give you that. I don't know what systems to use. That's one. Okay, and then pain point number 2, I don't know if social media alone is enough or if I need a website. That's another pain point that's a top pain point. And then top pain point number 3, I'm learning everything, but I don't know how to actually get clients or make money from it. Okay, and then these are some quotes of some people, what they said. Then we're going to do a belief map. Pain point number 1, I don't know what systems to use. Current belief, there's a perfect tool out there, and once I find it, everything will click. That's their current belief. Why they believe it. They've seen other women posting wins and assume they're using some specific tool. They just don't know which one. How it's keeping them stuck. They keep researching, never commit, cobble together 4 free tools that don't talk to each other, and spend more time managing software than serving clients. And then replacement belief, for me, I need to install. The tool doesn't matter, the system does. Stripe plus a landing page plus a CRM that texts back automatically is worth more than $97 a month platform they're still watching tutorials about. Okay, so then these are the other two pain points. So desires and motivations, what they say they want, a payment system, a website answer, more clients, side income. What they actually want, to stop feeling behind. The pressure in this group is quiet but constant. These women are watching other women win and they feel like they missed something. Okay? To not be dependent. Multiple posts reference divorce, being helpless and unaware. to look legit without feeling like a fraud. And so on. So then it's going to give you facts and objections. Do I need a website or is social media enough? Asked in at least 3 different phrasings in the last week. So it's going to give you some facts and objections people have said. Emotional language bank. These are verbatim into hooks, emails, and posts. Okay. Hope, readiness, identity, keywords, hashtags, and brand competitor mentions. Okay. Then it's going to give you hashtags, ideal client identification, green flag profiles. Talk to these people. The skilled but stuck mompreneur. She has remarkable skills. Okay, so it's giving me an ideal client. And it's giving me another ideal client. The AI curious active learner. And these are all based off of all the people in this group, right? The anti-social media service provider. Yellow flake profiles. Warm up first. These are all ideal clients, okay? These are where you're gonna message these people. These are the kind of type of people you want to talk to when you're doing your posts, okay? Then it's giving names of people, where to find the source. And it's got a messaging plan. Hook formulas. It's going to give you a bunch of hook formulas. You're expected to keep everything together, to remember everything for everyone, make money, and run a business. At some point, something has to run itself. Right? Content angles by the beliefs. Okay, the difference between renting and owning your audience and why it matters when Facebook decides to throttle your reach. These are just hooks. Okay. Then we're going to go post types that match their scroll behavior, based on what's getting comments in this group. So it's going to find all the ones that are actually getting engagement. It's going to give you examples so that you can post the same. Comment triggers. Let's drop these threads where replay profiles are posting. DM openers. Yeah, and so on. So this is a very, very, very cheap ChatGPT prompt for anyone who hates social media but needs to show up. Hold on, what did I do this right here? Instant value bank, got you. Alright, and then we're coming to tools and assets that you could possibly build to use as lead magnets, right? Does my business need a website? A 5-question quiz that tells the visitor whether they need a website right now, right? Business backend starter kit, free lead magnet, GHL snapshot, or Notion template. So it gives you a bunch of tools or lead magnets that you can create, right? And then 1-sentence market summary. 181,000 women who have the hustle, the skills, and the desire to build something real, but no one has given them a system that works while they're making. So if anybody would like this prompt, let me know in the comments, and I will send it to you. Otherwise, yeah, hopefully this video shows you what you can do with Claude in Chrome. I mean, there's tons of prompts that you can give it, and it will do in your browser, on your Facebook page, on your Instagram page, on your LinkedIn page, whatever you want. Okay.